Hey guys, KV from Ridezilla. I just wanted to show you some safe overtaking techniques in the Ghats. So recently I had been to Chiplun. That vlog will come up soon, but I have a few clippings from there where I would like to show you how I waited for the signal from the truck driver because it was a blind turn. It was a left turn in the Ghat, and I waited for the signal. Once the truck driver gave me the signal, I did a safe overtake even though the road was empty. Because a lot of times it happens that you want to overtake, you are in a hurry, or you're just riding fast, you're in the groove, and you just like to make that overtake, but then you're surprised with an oncoming vehicle because it's a blind turn. So I think you should always be careful when you're overtaking, especially in the Ghats or the Ghat sections, or the Twisties as some people would like to call it. So observe here, that I just honked and then waited for the truck driver to give me the signal, and only did that overtake later. So the next turn here, you can see that I'm just trying to overtake. It's a right turn. It's an open turn. The road is not quite clear. It's still a blind one, even though I can still make out partially. But again, patience is the name of the game. You wait. You don't take undue risks. You don't risk your life for oncoming traffic. Only once when you start getting a full view or a clearer view of the road ahead, make that turn, make that overtake. So that is how you should do overtakes in the Ghats. So please be careful, ride safe, and enjoy your rides. Thanks.
Gravel, gravel.